Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Black and today we are going to unbox an Apple Pencil. This thing cost a lot. Why? Samsung gives us their pencil for free in their included price and they are charging for this is 10,900. It's like $120, I guess, USD. So let's unbox this thing and I will draw some shit. Definitely you won't like it. I will draw some good thing and put on the Instagram and some hentai shit. Hello, maybe. So let's unbox this thing. So yeah, this was the Apple Pencil. There are some good things. It will charge from your tablet. When you tap, there are sensitive buttons here, so when you tap it, it will change brush. You can customize the button in Procreate and Sketchbook. You can tap it and it will change to eraser or the brush previously used. It have pretty good sensitivity. This is not as good as compared to like a Wacom tablet, which costs a lot. I mean, it's a good product if you are using it. If you are drawing it, I will definitely not suggest to buy this pencil. If you are just going to write on your tablet, I want to draw. I also have Wacom tablet. I don't draw that much, but I want to draw. That's why I bought it. I hope I will make some good shit with it. So subscribe and follow my Instagram, Twitter for bad shit. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you till next. Peace.